Hey guys, welcome back. Are you having trouble getting some of those sweet gems? Well, here are some codes that you probably didn't know about in Animal Jam. If you don't know how to enter codes, just follow what I'm doing right now. And the first code is Adorable Otter. Otter. It doesn't actually show the prizes because I've already entered the codes, but it will work for you guys. The next code is Funny Fox. Then it's Fuzzy Tiger. It's Playful Panda. Then Wise Owl. Next is Posh Pig. Then it's Slow Sloth. Then it's Sneaky Cougar. And from now on, I'm just going to show you the codes without talking because that will probably make things easier for you. If you guys enjoyed this video, why don't you check out my others? I will be live streaming very soon, doing giveaways, fashion shows and more. Subscribe and turn on notifications